Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar presentation. Today we're taking a look at Valutec gift cards. Let's go ahead and get started. So an outline for our presentation today, we'll take a look at some introductions as always. Then we'll dive right into defining what are gift cards. We'll look at the setup of the gift card module and how to sell gift cards. We'll also look at how to redeem gift cards directly in Roomkey, how to manage those gift cards also directly in Roomkey, and when you can start using this gift card module tool. We'll wrap up today's presentation with a summary and Q&A. So diving right into our introductions, my name is Tasha LeClaire. I'm a trainer and implementation specialist with Roomkey. Joining me today, I do have our Director of Customer Experience, Mr. William Tam. I'll be overseeing the presentation on screen and doing the demonstrations. William will oversee the Q&A and any chat. If you do have any questions as we're going through our presentation, go ahead and add that to the Q&A. Um, any questions will try to be answered throughout the presentation, and any questions that are not answered, we can use that in our Q&A at the end as well. Couple more things about today's webinar. It is being recorded, and a copy of that recording will be made available on our support website. If you've registered for a presentation before, you know that you'll get a notification once that is added to our support website there. For those of you that are joining our live presentation today, there is a webinar survey at the end of our presentation. Just take a couple of minutes there to let us know some feedback about your experience today. And if you have any suggestions for any future webinar topics, we do greatly appreciate the feedback and also future suggestions there. Great. So diving right into our topic for today, defining what are gift cards. In general, gift cards are prepaid cards that guests can use to pay for charges on their guest folio. Um, we are partnering with a program called Valutec Gift Solutions using our Roomkey PMS payment processor. And these Valutec gift cards are reloadable. We can also work with them in a physical format, so a physical gift card that can be mailed or handed over to a recipient, or we also have the digital option as well. So you can actually email those out to a recipient directly from Roomkey as well. Now, a couple disclaimers about our gift cards. We're currently working with US-based hotels using our Roomkey PMS payment processor. The payment processor is required, so you wouldn't be able to use the Valutec gift cards directly in Roomkey without the processor. So you want to make sure you're signed up and activated with our Roomkey PMS payment processor for all of those redemptions and in Roomkey or in-app features that we'll be looking at today. Speaking of those features, let's take a look at some of the new setup that will be included with your Valutec gift card module here. So the first thing that we're looking at is how to set up gift card transaction codes. We got a couple of transaction codes that are going to be brand new and unique to the gift card module. The first one that we're looking at is how to create a gift card purchase. It's going to be created as a other charge within the transaction codes module. I have a little video here that's going to show us how to do that. So let me just go ahead and click. There we go. So starting from the transaction codes module, the top right corner, you're going to go to other charge. Then you're going to click the add button. That'll allow us to add a new transaction code. You're going to create a code, a description, and here in the trans subgroup, you're going to select gift card. Off to the right-hand side, you can click OK. And then here on the Accounts tab, you want to make sure that you're attaching a revenue account. We recommend creating a new GL account, and this example uses the GL account called gift cards. Back here on the General tab, you can now click Modify, select the Active checkbox, and click OK. And that now ensures that that new transaction code is active. Great. So we need that new transaction code in the other charge section of the transaction codes module to make sure that we can track purchases of new gift cards, whether they're physical gift cards or digital gift cards. The next transaction code that will need to be created is a gift card redeemed, and this is going to be created in the payment code or as a payment code whenever we redeem or use the gift card as a form of payment in Roomkey. So once again, here in the transaction codes module, the top right corner, you're going to navigate to the payment transaction codes. You'll select the add button to add a new payment code. For this new payment code, you'll give it a code, a description, and here in the trans subgroup, you're going to select gift card. Once you do that, you can click the OK button. And for that new payment code, you want to go to the Accounts tab and make sure that you are attaching the gift card GL account for revenue purposes. Back to the General tab here, you'll click the Modify button, select the Active checkbox, and click OK. Perfect. So when you first start out with the gift cards module, we typically have a trainer assigned that'll help you build out some of these setups. If you have any questions, we can certainly help during that setup process as well. The next thing that you'll be looking to set up is the email configuration, and this is going to be specific for digital gift cards. In order to do this part of the setup, you are required to have a clerk permission in order to access the gift cards module. So that permission is noted here, permission 5036 gift cards, and this once again is available for Roomkey, PMS Payments, or RK Pay only. So I have a little video here that's going to show us or demonstrate how to set up the email configuration for those digital gift cards. Here in Roomkey, you're going to go to the Operations menu and slide down to the Gift Cards module. This module will open up, and at the top of the screen, you'll see the Email Config button. This will allow you to customize your email configuration. So when you click Modify, you can indicate how the guest views these email components. So the from name, the reply to name, and a subject for the email that they receive. Then down below, you can also customize more thematic information, things like your property logo, property name. You can customize a color for the email as well. And then at the bottom here, when you click Load Logo, that will allow you to add an image that will be displayed on screen here. Once you're happy with all those changes, you can go ahead and click Save, and that will automatically update. Now, one thing to note that if you use our Roomkey PMS mobile, that logo and theme information will automatically copy over for you. So you can review it there in the email config, but you can certainly keep that the same as what any of your mobile guests would see, is the same as what your digital gift card recipients would see. So I have an example here of what that digital gift card will look like. We will also look at how we can issue these and customize them, but a couple of the features that we just looked at as part of the email configuration includes the subject line that appears at the top here, including the hotel name. We have the hotel logo that appears at the top of the digital gift card and just a record of the gift card or the property name here as well. Now, we do include a link directly to your property website. So if the guest wants to use their, or the recipient wants to use their gift card right away, they can be directed to your hotel website and go ahead and online and book. Right. So now that we've seen how to do some of the setup for these gift cards, let's take a look at the ways that we can sell gift cards. And the first one that I want to demonstrate is how to sell a physical gift card. In order to sell a gift card, you are required to have clerk permission. This is 5037 gift cards, and it's the ability to activate slash add value to a gift card. So I have a video here that is actually a video clip here that'll show us how to do or how to sell one of those gift cards. So here in Roomkey, you're going to go to the Operations menu and select the Gift Cards module. Once that opens up on screen, you'll see this section here that says Activate slash add value. You'll type in the number of the card and the amount that is to be activated, and then you click Activate slash add value. When you're activating the card, it'll confirm the amount that you want to activate, and now it'll take you through the payment processor. Now for this example, I'm just going to use cash as the payment method. Let's say I'm receiving cash from the person in front of me. I'll click OK. Now I've just created the gift card, and it's going to let me know that the balance of the gift card, and it shows the updated balance at the top for me as well. So if I have that physical gift card, I can now pass that off to the purchaser, or the person who is purchasing the gift card. If you are using those physical gift cards as part of your sign up and setup, we will work with you on how to order those gift cards and ensure that you know how to order those directly from Valutec as well. Great. So the next or the next item we want to look at is how to sell a digital gift card. Now, in order to sell digital gift cards, you need an additional permission. You need the permission 5039 on your clerk ID, and this is the ability to create digital cards. Um, this video here will demonstrate how to do that process directly in Roomkey in that gift card module as well. So we'll start from Roomkey, go to the Operations menu and Gift Cards. That'll open up the Gift Cards module on screen. On screen here, we'll just go to the Activate slash Add Value, and instead of typing in a gift card number, I'm going to type in the amount and select the New Digital Card checkbox and click Activate. Roomkey confirms that I want to activate a new digital gift card. And in this example, I'm going to use a Visa credit card in order to process payment for that activation. So let me just enter in some credit card details here and click OK. Because I'm using a credit card as payment, it's going to show me my full Steam payment processor for that credit card payment. I'll click OK, and I'll wait for that approval message. So I know that payment went through, and now I can see that I have a new balance on a newly activated gift card. Now, because this is a digital gift card, I can now send this as an email to a recipient. I can record the to and from names, the recipient email, and I can even include a custom message. When I click send, it's now going to send that as an email to the recipient, and I'll see a record of that activation up at the top here. Now, in the top left corner, I can click the email log button, and that is now going to show me a record of that email that was sent to my recipient. And I even have the ability to resend that gift card email if needed. If you're resending, you would just reconfirm the email address for that recipient. Thanks. And I have an example here of what that digital gift card looks like. Of course, you're going to have those email configuration settings that we saw at the beginning. So you would have your property logo information here, a link to the property website. When the digital card is being sold, we added a to and a from name, so those will appear on the card as well as that custom message. Here I just had a happy birthday message. The recipient would see the barcode and full gift card number that is listed here below the barcode. They would also see the value. Sorry, they would also see the value of the gift card and the date that that gift card was issued. Wonderful. So now that we've seen how to uh, create or activate gift cards, issue those out to different recipients, now let's see how we can use a gift card as a form of payment in Roomkey. And this is going to be using that the ability to redeem a gift card. There are no permissions required. This is going to behave just like or very similar to a regular payment in Roomkey. I have a video here that's going to demonstrate what that process looks like on a guest folio. So here in Roomkey, I have a guest with a folio balance of $345. Got a couple of room charges there. To use a payment, I'm going to click Post Payment. Now, typically, Roomkey will pop up with the guest payment, whatever the default payment method on file is. You're going to change the payment code to that gift card redeemed transaction code we created earlier. Here in the card number, you want to make sure that you're entering the full card number, the gift card number there. And then in the amount field, you'll enter in the amount that you want to redeem. In this case, I'm going to redeem a $100 value and apply that to the folio. You'll click OK Exit, and that will now enable our full Steam payment processor. You'll notice that the action here is a gift card settlement. So we're using that gift card as a form of payment for that $100. You'll click Post and you'll wait for your approval message. There we go. The nice thing with those gift card approval messages is that it'll also note the remaining balance. So this was a $200 gift card. I redeemed $100, so I have $100 remaining. Once you click OK, you'll now see that appear as a payment line item on the guest folio. Um, so you can use the post payment button in order to redeem a portion of the guest payment, a portion of the guest gift card. Um, if the amount that you try to redeem is more than what is remaining on the gift card, Roomkey will let you know that what the limit or what the balance is for that gift card. So then you can adjust the payment that you're processing accordingly. Great. Speaking of the ability to check a balance, as we look to manage these gift cards that are available from the gift cards module, the very first thing that we might want to do is check a gift card balance. Now, in order to check balances, you do need access to the gift card module. So you will need that clerk permission. That's 5036 gift cards. Now this video here is going to show us how to check the balance of a gift card in Roomkey. Here in Roomkey, you're going to the Operations menu and you'll select Gift Cards to open up the Gift Cards module. Once that opens up on screen, at the top of the screen, you'll see the ability to check the gift card balance. Go ahead and enter the card number and click Get Card Balance, and that will now update on screen for you. It will show you any activity on that gift card as well as the balance. So pretty straightforward functionality there, just requires that clerk permission, but you can check a gift card balance at any time using that gift card module directly in Roomkey. Another thing that you can do using that gift card module is the ability to add value to a gift card. Now, these gift cards, whether they're a physical gift card or a digital gift card that has been issued through Roomkey, all of these Valutec gift cards are reloadable. So you can treat them a little bit like a debit card, where you can add value to a gift card. Now, we do have the ability to limit how much value you can add at any one time, and we will see that towards the end of today's presentation. Um, you can control those limitations directly in Roomkey as well. But to see how to add value to a gift card, you do also need clerk permission. You are required to have permission 5037, the ability to activate or add value to a card. So this video here is going to demonstrate how to do those steps inside Roomkey. There we go. So in Roomkey, you'll go to the Operations menu and select Gift Cards. Once the module opens up on screen, you'll go over to the Activate Card/Add Value section. You'll type in the gift card and you'll type in the amount that you want to load. You'll notice below the amount field, there is a maximum allowed. So you want to make sure that you're below that and click Add Value, Activate Card/Add Value. So if this is an active card, Roomkey is going to tell you what the current balance is and confirm that you want to add that value. In this example, I'm just going to use cash as the payment method to add value to that gift card and click OK. Roomkey now confirms that I have a new balance of 150. When I click OK, that is now going to show me the gift card balance at the top, and I can see that add value line item that I just completed. Great. So adding value to the gift card is just as simple as activating a gift card there. Um, Anytime that you're adding value, it does always show the record or the updated value at that top. And then we saw any transactional records, any activation or redemptions will all show at the top of the screen alongside the current balance. Now, one function that may be limited or restricted to certain users at your property is the ability to deactivate or cash out a gift card. This does require a specific permission, clerk permission 5038, gift cards, and the ability to deactivate/cash out. Now, the reason why we recommend this be a limited permission, only available for certain users, is because it does involve giving a refund back to the cardholder. So in the event that a cardholder, they're not going to be able to use the remaining value on their gift card, um, we can deactivate the gift card, and any remaining balance on that gift card must be given back to that card holder. So you can give it back via credit card payment, or you can give it back via cash, just depending on what your refund policies are at the front desk. And again, typically this might only be this function might just be restricted to front office managers or maybe some accounting staff, but not a regular front desk user. So I have a little video here that demonstrates how to do that deactivate or cash out process directly in the gift card module. So you go to Operations and select Gift Cards. The module will open up on screen, and before you deactivate or cash out a gift card, I do recommend that you check the balance at the top of the screen here, just so you are aware of what that refund amount will be. Once you confirm the balance, you're going to go to the deactivate/cash out section, enter the gift card number, and click the button to cash out. Roomkey will confirm that you're cashing out this gift card for the amount displayed, and it'll also confirm how you're giving that money back. In this case, I'm just going to use cash as the example and click OK. Now, when you cash out or deactivate a gift card, Roomkey will confirm once that is successfully completed. At the top of the screen here, you'll see that there's a $0 balance. I have a record of the cash out, and it also indicates that this card is now inactive. So I would not be able to use that card for a payment. I would not be able to reload that card. Neat. Of course, if I was um, doing that cash out live, I would also be paying out that cash from my cash drawer directly to the card holder in front of me. If it was a credit card payment, we would have seen the refund of the credit card using the full Steam processor there. Great. So we've looked at processing credit card payments or credit cards as a payment. We saw that demonstrated when we were looking at how to redeem gift card amounts. Um, because the gift card uses or the Valutec gift card uses our existing Roomkey PMS payments processor, we can actually view any gift card reconciliation directly in our embedded payment reconciliation reporting that we use for full Steam or credit card payments already. Now, in order to view this report, this is called the Payment Reconciliation Report, you do need to have Clerk Permission 4080 active on your Clerk ID in order to access the report and view reconciliation. If you are already used to reconciling gift cards with Roomkey PMS payments, if you're already used to reconciling credit cards with Roomkey PMS payments, gift cards is just going to be an added section here. Let me go ahead and click the video here. So starting from Roomkey, in order to access this report, you'll go up to the Reports menu. In the Online Processing section, you'll select Payment Reconciliation Report. Now, this report does take a moment to load because it is a live or active report. It's going to pull live values from your credit card processor, the Roomkey PMS payments, and your hotel. And when you look at today's date, you'll see a new type of payment recorded, and it says the gift card redeemed. When you click on that gift card redeemed header, that will now expand and show you all of the gift card transactions. So any of the redemptions, both in the hotel on the left-hand side, as well as any payments that were recorded and processed through that payment processor on the right. So because Valutec uses that payment processing via Roomkey PMS payments powered by Full Steam, we're able to utilize that payment reconciliation or live, active, instant reconciliation all on one report to make end-of-day procedures a little bit easier there. Now, we do have a portal that can be accessed as well if you wanted to see individual reporting for Roomkey PMS. If you'd like to know more about the payment processor portal, definitely check out our Roomkey PMS payments powered by Full Steam training webinar. We've got more detailed information about using the reconciliation reports, non-matching transactions, and payment portal access there as well. Great. So last thing we had on our topic list was when can you start using this? This is a product that is coming soon, so stay tuned for our official launch. But if you are a hotel based in the United States using our Roomkey PMS payments powered by full steam credit card processing. This is optimized for your use, so you can reach out to our inside sales team. They're going to have the most up-to-date information about when this will be launched, or if you'd like to be part of a pilot program for Valutec gift cards and processing directly in Roomkey. Our inside sales team contact information is just on screen there. You can reach out to them at via email using insidesales@roomkeypms.com. Great. So to wrap up our presentation today, we took a look at defining our gift cards, how to set them up and sell them using the gift cards module, how to redeem gift cards directly in Roomkey, just like a normal payment on a guest folio. We also looked at some more management tools that are available for our gift cards directly in the gift cards module. And we also mentioned how you can look to enable this for your US-based property using Roomkey PMS payments. So I'm just going to open up the floor here to see if there's any outstanding questions. Okay, just reviewing, it looks like a couple of questions have already been answered. If there are any other outstanding questions, you can go ahead and click on the Q&A button. Um, we'd be happy to answer any questions there. We can do it live since we're in our Q&A period here. Okay, so it looks like there are no more outstanding questions. Um, It's a little bit shorter webinar today, so I'm going to go ahead and close down the webinar. Thank you everyone for joining in for our live webinar presentation. If you're looking for a copy of this recording, we'll let you know once it's available on our support website. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. I hope to see you in next month's webinar as well. Bye-bye.